If you've been feeling really down lately and not so much like yourself, and you're ready to shift your energy, I have an amazing tool that I love and use regularly called EFT, aka tapping, which I'm going to walk you through today. I've been feeling so down. And no matter how much I try to shift my energy and my emotions, I still feel that way. This isn't like me. And I'm just ready to get back to feeling like me. And even though I feel this way, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I choose to feel uplifted. I choose to prioritize my energy. And I commit to daily actions that serve good energy. And I know in no time, I'm going to feel better. This is what I desire, and it's what I deserve. And so I know that it's available and possible for me. Great job. Follow along for more tapping videos that help you to feel upbeat, high energy, and all good vibes.